Hi guys, today we will make a really working evaporative type air conditioner at home. We need a 1 liter plastic food container and a fan with a diameter of 80 millimeters. The first step is to install the fan into the container lid. And now we make holes in the container body for the air flow to escape. Next, we need a foam sponges for washing dishes, as well as a container with ordinary water. First, wet the foam sponges in water. Then we put the foam sponges into the plastic container, while leaving equal gaps between the body and each element. Then we install the cover with the fan. And so, the air conditioner is made. This air conditioner works on the evaporative principle. It is based on the use of a large specific heat of vaporization of water. Dry air temperature can be significantly reduced by phase transition of liquid water to steam, and this process requires significantly less energy than compression cooling. In very dry climates, evaporative cooling also has the advantage of increasing the humidity of the air during air conditioning, which creates more comfort for people in the room. Now let's move on to testing. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.